Today on onSALUS Health, we'll delve into what might happen to your body if you consume ginger every day. Ginger is a root prized for its medicinal properties for centuries, and it's gained renewed attention for its potential health benefits. Integrating ginger into your daily diet can yield remarkable effects on your overall well-being. Here are 7 things that could occur if you choose to incorporate ginger into your daily routine. Number 1. Nausea and upset stomach relief. Ginger is renowned for its antiemetic properties, which means it can alleviate nausea and soothe upset stomachs. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine may prove beneficial for individuals that are susceptible to dizziness, morning sickness, or occasional digestive discomfort. Number 2. Reducing inflammation. Ginger contains compounds that fight inflammation in the body. This can be helpful for people with chronic inflammatory conditions like arthritis, potentially easing discomfort and improving their quality of life. Number 3. Better digestion. Ginger can help digestion in 2 ways. It may boost the production of digestive enzymes and soothe inflammation in the gut. This can lead to relief from bloating, indigestion, and other digestive issues. Number 4. Immune system support. Ginger is packed with antioxidants that help strengthen your immune system. This can help your body fight off illness and infections, contributing to better overall health. Number 5. Blood sugar benefits. Some studies suggest ginger may improve how your body uses insulin, potentially leading to steadier blood sugar levels. This could be helpful for people with diabetes or those at risk. If you enjoyed this video, consider supporting onSALUS Health with a super thanks. Your contribution allows us to create more valuable content. Number 6. Eases period pain. Ginger's anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties may help reduce menstrual cramps, according to certain studies. Including ginger in your diet around your period could offer relief and improve comfort. Number 7. Heart health support. Studies indicate ginger may benefit heart health by potentially lowering cholesterol and triglycerides. This could help prevent heart disease and promote overall cardiovascular health. While ginger offers a range of potential benefits, it's important to remember that individual results may vary. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions, consult your doctor before making significant dietary changes. However, incorporating ginger into your daily routine can be a delicious and healthy way to support your overall well-being. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and write us your questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Until next time.